In this video, we're going to continue with 4.1 functions. So determining if a graph is a function. So if you're given a graph, you can decide if it is a function by performing the vertical line test, because a function deals with the domains. That's my x's. So you're going to go through the x-axis, and if 2 points touch at the same number, then that means it is not a function. So any x is repeating, then it's not a function. If you have no x's repeating, then it is a function. So let's look at the first example. So here is the graph. And then look at the second, that's the invisible vertical line test. So draw a line through the x, and do you have 2 points? Yes, huh? 2 x's repeating? Yep, they touch here and here. So that means that it is not a function. So let's look at the next example. So my first is the graph, and then I'm going to do the invisible line test. So draw a line through the x. Do I have 2 points touching? No, it's only 1. So that means, yes, this is a function. When the x touches only 1 time, it is a function because you look at the domain, the x's. So looking at 2 other ones, are these graphs functions? So do the vertical line test. So I'm going to draw a line through the x. Does it touch at 1 or 2 points? It touches at 2 points. So that means no, this is not a function. Okay, so let's look at the next one. Draw your vertical line test. Is it 1 or 2 points touching? It is 2. So that means this is not a function because it touches twice on the vertical line test. If it touched once, then that means it would be a function.